Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate, so Windows renders at the correct pixels per inch, which prevents soft edges. Once done, check the physical cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI, because a bad cable can blur the image. Make sure to update the graphics driver using Device Manager or the GPU vendor installer. This fixes scaling and DPI handling bugs. Take these steps now. They resolve most immediate causes of a blurry display. Once drivers and cables are confirmed, adjust Windows scaling carefully, set to 100% or the monitor's recommended percent to avoid fractional scaling artifacts. Then go to Advanced Scaling Settings and disable Let Windows try to fix apps if apps still look fuzzy. Fractional scaling can force blurring. Next, run the Clear Type Text Tuner so text rendering uses subpixel information correctly. Make sure to follow each screen prompt. This cleans up text and UI element crispness across applications. Finish by forcing the monitor's native resolution and the correct refresh rate in display settings, because mismatches cause soft scaling. If a single app remains blurry, open its properties, compatibility, and use Change High DPI settings to override DPI scaling behavior. This targets how Windows scales that app. If issues persist after these steps, roll back or clean install the GPU driver and test on a second monitor or device. This isolates hardware versus software causes and completes the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.